Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today it is Sunday, and there is a very big week ahead for crypto and crypto.com. A lot of great things as of late for crypto.com, alongside with, yes, of course, some FUD. I'm going to tell you guys about everything that I've been looking at here, what I'm thinking coming into the week with some of the big things coming up, the FOMC coming out and announcing what they're going to do about the interest rate hikes. Also, you have more things coming along the line in terms of SBF actually going into a hearing and talking with members of the government here this week. Guys, there's a lot of things to cover, so we're going to get over it all, and I'm going to tell you what I think it means for the markets ahead. If you guys like that kind of content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every single day on this channel for you, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're going to give away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So guys, do not miss out on that. We are going to take a peek here at these charts. We're at an $858 billion market cap. Bitcoin still hanging on to $17,000. Ethereum just below 1,300. Guys, we're just kind of trading sideways right now, and I think that's all about to change, and that's what I want to share with you guys in this video. You got CRO coin still sitting right at rank number 29 at just about 6.5 cents. Nothing's changing, but I think we're going to get a break up, down, out, one way or another this week, and I'll tell you exactly why. But first, let's take a snapshot of what we have coming up for crypto.com specifically. So first of all, there are 2 days left, folks. 2 days left until the land for crypto.com is officially on sale for the Loaded Lions holders. So this is very exciting for anybody as a part of the Loaded Lion Pride out there. But don't be worried, guys, because there is an opportunity for everybody to get access to this land. Just 2 days after the official launch for the Loaded Lion presale, there will be a early access pass an hour ahead of the public launch for this land sale as well. So you will have an opportunity to get this so long as they don't sell out. We'll see if they put a limit on how many Loaded Lions can get, because if the Loaded Lions can buy as many as they want, it may sell out, but we'll have to see. So this is very big news. And what you're seeing is these Loaded Lions, the floor price is climbing up. The lowest auction price for a lion is $1,000 right now, which is much higher than it previously was. And the floor price for a buy now outright purchase of these things is climbing as well. So the value of these lions is very, very strong right now. It's essentially the CryptoPunk of the Crypto.com NFT ecosystem. So something to keep an eye on, something to be thinking about this week. But there's a lot more news coming out. One, you probably saw the proof of reserves are out for Crypto.com, which is spectacular. And now you can prove yourself that your funds are accounted for, first of all, and that they have enough funds to back the amount that you have in their exchange 1-to-1, and they have proved that cryptographically now with this launch, which is spectacular. Now, unfortunately, there are other folks out in the market that are getting questioned, one of them being Binance. But Crypto.com is looking favorable right now in the media, but there's some FUD now on Binance. So Binance, according to the Wall Street Journal, is trying to calm investors. I really haven't seen that much panic, but its finances remain a mystery. Guys, Binance just came out with its proof of reserves as well. But according to this article, when you look into the content, actually, they're coming out and saying, according to calculations by the Wall Street Journal, the assets to liabilities for them are actually, their assets are $245 million smaller, according to the Wall Street Journal, compared to their liabilities. So this is actually, something to think about, but, I don't think, I'm not just going to trust the Wall Street Journal to do the accounting, right? Binance came out on social media and they said that the reserves are strong. They have a mechanism to prove that as well. So we're going to have to watch how this plays out. But just note, guys, there's a lot of FUD out there, and people are trying to FUD every exchange. And I think right now there may be a little bit of a battle going on with the media and Binance, because Binance is attacking CZ, and I think the media is a friend of SBF. I think SBF's cronies are kind of after anybody else out there that wants to attack SBF right now, and you might be seeing that with this article. But I wanted to share that with you guys. It's something that I've been seeing, and when you look at what CZ is trying to reply to this on Twitter with, he's not really saying too much. But He did retweet a tweet by Lex Friedman, who's a very good thinker of our society today. And the quote by Lex Friedman is, "If you look for a reason to hate a person, eventually you'll find it. If you look for a reason to celebrate a person, eventually you'll find it. The former leads to resentment and destructive cynicism. The latter leads to happiness and growth for you and those you celebrate." So guys, I'm sick of the FUD. I want to bring the crypto community together. That's what we're trying to do here. So I want to defend Binance just because you do not want Binance to collapse. Maybe you love CRO 1,000 more times than Binance, and I personally do, but I do not want Binance to crash because it would hurt us all, and we don't want to see that. And so we want to see CZ combating the FUD against him because you do not want to see Binance collapse. Now, it does help the crypto.com market share potentially, so that's a positive thing for CRO folks, but we do not want to see instability out of Binance. They're the world's largest crypto exchange. So something I wanted to share with you guys. And another, interesting story though that I did see is that apparently they did have to halt some withdrawals on some profiting accounts. And that is very interesting. There's been a lot of complaints on social media from different countries. So he's kind of dealing with this, and he is trying to also come out, and CZ is saying, people are saying we're too centralized. I understand this, but we want to keep people safe. So I just want to share with you guys this update. It's very, very interesting. We're going to have to see how this plays out. A lot of people are concerned about centralization, but you got to acknowledge, if you don't want to deal with centralization, Binance has an excellent Binance Smart Chain, which is not centralized. So you can use that. You also have the crypto.com DeFi wallet, right? And you can use the Cronos chain. That's decentralized as well. So there's options for you guys out there if you don't want to be a part of the exchanges. But more FUD that we're just trying to battle right now and coming into a big week. Some other big news coming up this week is, and keep in mind, I want to highlight this for you guys real quick. I think that the reason that Binance is getting FUDed right now is because of, this is an article by New York Times. It seems like they're trying to paint CZ in kind of a bad picture, and I think it's because they're trying to defend SBF because it's been proven that SBF has actually paid publications to try to make him look good, basically. I'm not saying the New York Times, but specifically is one of these folks. They might be. They've certainly been throwing softballs at SBF, but it has been proven that there are some publications out there that were actually defending SBF, and there's been some large influencers, Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful, who might have been paid $15 million to say good things about SBF. So I think there's a battle going on right now, and I'm very interested to see these texts get leaked. I've not seen these texts. They haven't released these texts to the public. That would be awesome if they do that. Smash up the like button if you want to see these texts between Sam Bankman-Fried and CZ. That would be very interesting. But guys, we do have a very big week ahead. Just to note, on December 13th and 14th, okay, think about these dates. On the 13th and 14th of this month, first of all, Crypto.com land sale is coming up. So that's on the 13th for the Loaded Lions holders. On December 13th and 14th, the FOMC is going to meet, and they're going to come out with the announcement of whether or not they're going to raise the interest rates and by how much. A lot of people think it's going to be by 0.5%, and that would actually be huge in a positive way. That would be a shrinking of the interest rate hikes, and that would be very bullish for markets because at least it is a loosening of some of the tightening that the Fed has been doing and more of a dovish stance from the Fed as opposed to this hawkish stance that they've had as of late. So be on the lookout for this, guys. The 13th and 14th, that's coming up. On top of that, this one I saw today, Ripple Army, if you're out there, XRP folk, smash up the like button. The Ripple lawsuit is rumored to be settled this week. The founder of Cardano, Chris Hodgkinson, is actually out there saying that he believes on the 15th that this thing is going to be settled. And that could be a very, very bullish event for crypto. If Ripple gets this out of the way and they get to continue to exist and exchanges start listing this token again, it's not only going to be huge for Ripple, but it's going to be huge for crypto because they represent all of crypto right now. This is the first big project that is battling the SEC. I don't care if you don't like Ripple or if you love it. You want them to win this case, folks. So you got to keep an eye on this. And that is also around the 15th of the month. A lot of things happening this December, guys. And on top of it, SBF is now willing to testify on a hearing when Yes, on the 13th of December. So you have the crypto.com launch coming out for the land on the 13th. You have the FOMC meeting on the 13th, and you have SBF doing a hearing on the 13th. All this news means we cannot possibly anticipate what is about to happen in this market, but you can guarantee one thing, folks. There will be a lot of volatility. In my opinion, I could be wrong. This is not financial advice, but guys, I feel like there's going to be so much volatility this week, the 13th, 14th, 15th. There is so much going on. And not to mention, a former SEC crypto regulator was actually just hired by Caroline Ellison, SBF's ex-girlfriend, the leader of Alameda Research, who Sam Bankman-Fried has been attacking. She's been attacking him. She is suiting up with a lawyer who actually used to be an SEC regulator. How can she afford this, guys? Twitter is going crazy over this, and so am I. I think it's absolutely unbelievable to see, but I wanted to keep you guys up to date with this as well. There's so many things going on right now. There's so much news to cover, and we're going to keep you guys up to date with that as best as we can here at the Crypto Report, because there's a lot of opportunities out in the market right now. It is the best time to look at opportunities because it's a bear market. When fear is high, that's when you guys want to be buying into these markets because you're getting the best discount. By the way, if you do want to buy the dip and you want to take advantage of some free money, we have a free $600 sign-up bonus when you sign up for Binance below. Also, a free $6,000 sign-up bonus when you sign up for BitGet. So we put those for you guys in the link in the description down below. Make sure you check that out. And make sure you follow us on Twitter because we're going to keep you guys up to date with all the things we're doing. And please know, every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 Central Standard Time, we are doing live streams for you on this channel. Consider joining the Crypto Report community and joining the Cronos army because we are here to represent the people and we are here to squash the FUD. And we keep you up to date, guys, with everything we see coming out in the crypto space, not just crypto.com, but all things crypto. Me and my partner, Black C, we are dedicated to this mission of spreading news about crypto and keeping viewers informed. Guys, we love you. We appreciate you. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for watching the channel. And that is all I got for you guys today. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget, guys, to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you would like to check them out. Peace.